Hi, I'm Austin Hunt. I'm the service manager here at Kendall Toyota of Bent, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our dealership. So we have two nice service lanes for customers to pull their cars into. We have 10 service advisors. We try to couple an express advisor with a main shop advisor. That way work flows well. On my right, we've got our service receptionist. They're going to schedule all the appointments, make sure those appointments are dialed in, parts are here. We also have a waiting room, deli, and cafe for customers. We have our express lube department made up of 2 pit-style racks and then 4 two-post racks. They work together, so 2 techs per car, make sure they get out in a timely fashion. This is our mechanical repair shop, where everything above a basic oil change gets done. We really pride ourselves in tech certification. We want everybody to be as certified and grow as much as possible. This is our DigiShield installation room. It's a clear film, protects them from all the environments we see here in Central Oregon. Detail department, we have 4 full-time detailers that work back here, primarily on used cars, making sure they're clean prior to being put on the lot for sale. Parts department, this is the back counter where the technicians are going to come to get their parts. Parts are pre-pulled as soon as the repair order is written. As a flat rate technician, never want to be waiting for parts. These guys do a great job of making sure that doesn't happen. This is our front parts counter. Any over-the-counter parts that customers might buy, as well as a lot of Toyota swag and Kendall swag. Thank you for joining us for the tour today. If you would like to join the Kendall family, we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me or click the link below.
Kendall, let's start something great.